this problem, a architect is designing a stairway which uses the formula 2h plus d is equal to 25, where h represents the riser height and d represents the tread depth. And we have the tread depth must be at least 9 inches, so at least means it has to be greater than or equal to 9 inches. So the tread depth is d, so d has to be at least, so greater than or equal to 9 inches. And we know that the height, h, must be greater than or equal to 5 inches. So we know that the height has to be greater than or equal to 5. So you might be tempted to say, okay, these are the restrictions on our height that meet the requirement, so B is going to be your answer. But if we said we put in 10 for h, that's greater than or equal to 5, what would D be in this situation? Well, 2 times, we're saying h is 10 in here, plus D is equal to 25. 20, 2 times 10 plus D is equal to 25. 20 plus 5 is equal to 25, so D is 5 in that situation. However, we're told that D must be greater than or equal to 9, so we know that there must be another restriction. So let's say the most accepting, right, value of the tread depth is 9, right? So if the tread depth is 9, that takes away the least amount of inches from the height, right? So if 2 times the height plus the tread depth is equal to 25, if the tread depth was 18, well, that would make the height really small. But if it's 9, then the height can be as large as it could possibly be. So 2h plus 9 is equal to 25. This is going to give us our maximum possible tread height. Sorry. Yes, or riser height is what it's called. So subtracting 9 from both sides leaves us with 2h on this side is equal to 25 minus 9, which is 16. Dividing both sides by 2, the h is equal to 16 over 2 is 8. So this is the maximum value of the riser height, which comes from the lowest possible tread depth. So h must be greater than or equal to 5, but it has to be less than or equal to 8. 5 is the smallest it can be, 8 is the largest it can be, and this lines up with C.